Many of you guys have been wondering how to trade Bitcoin. Today, I'm going to show you in and out how to sign up, what to do, how to use an indicator, how do you leverage trade successfully in crypto. And today, we're starting a series where I'm going to be showing you guys all my trades. You guys can see exactly what we're doing. And so you can see I'm profitable and you can be too. We're going to turn less than $5,000 into $1 million on this channel. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it, but still trade it. Guys, make sure you get your crypto journey started off right by hitting that subscribe button to become a member of Ben Nation. Today, guys, we're going to be doing a very important video because I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I do in my trading and how I'm going to pick winners during this bull run. And I'm going to show you guys exactly the trades that I'm doing to do it. In fact, this is actually our 2024 bull run master sheet. And I'm going to be tracking all of my trades. All are going to be on Phemex. Today is the 12th. I had one from yesterday as well. It was actually 2 nights ago, 110. And then I've got one here, 112. Our trade here is on XRP. Our trade here is on Bitcoin. We're going to show you guys all this stuff. We're going to talk about our entries. I'm going to be filling this out, not during this show, but if you are a member of Ben Nation here on YouTube, any level, we're going to have 4 different levels where you get access to my live bull run spreadsheet. That includes our price predictions, our coins of the year. After you guys get our mid cap, low cap, and micro caps of the year, you guys are going to get access to that too. You guys are going to be able to track all of these. That was one thing during the last bull run that really made me angry, was every time I had a pick that didn't do well, people were all over me. But when I had picks that, I don't know, 70x'd or 100x'd, nobody cared or nobody wanted to point it out. So this time we're going to have all the receipts so people can't talk that stupid stuff after this bull run. So we're going to be showing you guys all of this stuff. We're going to be working on a lot of different things on the coins. But back to Phemex here, guys. If you want to sign up here, make sure to go to the link in the description or on the screen in the QR code. And what's going to happen when you sign up is you're actually going to get up to $8,800 for trading on Phemex, depending on how much you deposit. Now, there's a specific order to this that you're going to want to do. Step 1, go to Phemex, sign up. And we're going to show you guys actually how to do this in just a little bit. Then go to the Reward Hub and get your rewards. Definitely going to want those so you can take advantage of your $8,800 worth of rewards. Now, I don't know if I actually have that in mind per se. I guess maybe I do. I'm actually already trading on here. This is not a new account. So this is my rewards. Your rewards will show $8,800 available. Now, how are you going to make these trades successful? Well, you're going to have to use TradingView. I've got a link for TradingView. I don't have a QR code for it on the screen, I don't think. But I'll put a link for it in the description for you guys as well. So you guys can sign up for TradingView. And don't forget to sign up for the High IQ Trading Indicator, where you can get access to the best indicator I've ever used in my life. Market Cipher right there, number 2. I can never downgrade Market Cipher. It's great. But I believe High IQ is the best indicator out there on the market. It shows your entry point, it shows your take profit levels, and it shows your stop loss. So it's really hard to beat, in my opinion. So High IQ indicator. But the most important thing you really need to do, you need to make sure to go get your Palau ID. So the way that you do this is you go here to the link in the description. We got a QR code on the screen as well. You get your Palau ID. It's a digital residency program. You are allowed, you're able to do KYC for crypto trading almost every single place. I think OKX doesn't take it. A few places don't. KuCoin, Phemex, BitGet, they all take the Palau ID. So make sure to sign up for this. And then once you do it, it's $250. In 6 weeks, you'll get your card in the mail. And then you go back and you complete your KYC with Phemex. So as we go on here, make sure, guys, you are using a VPN as well. We've got an affiliate link for Surfshark. It's what we're using. I'm going to pull up my Surfshark VPN so you guys can see it. You guys see it right now. We are in France right now. You should always use a VPN, not just for trading, for anything you do on the internet. Ours is always turned on here. I basically live in France, which is bad because I don't even like French fries. I like freedom fries, as you guys know. So there we go. We've got everything set up for you to trade, do KYC. Don't forget to come back here and complete your KYC after you get your card. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks in the mail. Now that you're set, here we are on Phemex. Now, how do you sign up for Phemex? Well, that's a great question. I'm going to show you guys. So here we go. Registration only takes 30 seconds. So we're going to block out the email address I'm going to use here. And obviously, we're going to block out the password that I'm going to use here. Okay. So here we go, $8,800 welcome bonus. This is where you guys are gonna go when you land on the link, hit create account, and we're gonna be vlogging these trades every week. We're not gonna show you how to sign up every week, but here we go. And now you get email verification. So you just need to wait for that to come through, and it comes through usually pretty quick. It's already here, so there it is. All right, you have successfully registered. Now you can go to your account, you can click here. Okay, and then go to verification, okay? So you have verification, current features. I can still withdraw even now, $50,000 a day daily. But to get $100,000, you need to complete basic KYC. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna verify. You're gonna go through here. So I'm gonna show you guys how to sign up like I was another person. I already know how to sign up, but let's just say that you were from France, like my VPN is on, for instance. So what you would do is you would come in here, you would go to France, you would click on it, and then state province. Let's say you're from this place. I need to find a city. I don't know what city that is. City in Ain, France. Let's see, what is a city? Oh, living in France. Gex. Remember, guys, this is just for example purposes. Last name, Baguette. First name, obviously, duh. There's only two choices here, Jacques or Pierre. Okay. Date of birth, we're gonna pick. We're millennials. We're in 1990. I'm not. I mean, certainly. There we go. Phone number. Okay, now here you go. If you were in France, you need a French phone number, obviously. French phone number format. So here it is. You have to hit 33, so that's correct. French phone number is composed of 10 digits. Here we go. Okay. Okay, guys, so that's it. That's it. 5 pairs of 2-digit numbers. So we'd be like 06 32 24 21 00. So there we go. Residential address. Well, let's just go pick any old address. And where do we stand? Gex, France. Here we go. Let's pull it up. Let's click on the maps. So here we are, guys. We are in our little city here. We are in Gex. That's where we live. Everybody knows in Gex. We live on Avenue Pertemps. There it is. Av.pertemps. Pertemps. Postcode. Let's see what the postcode here is. 01170. Is that right? 01170. Government issued ID. I'm going to type in a driver's license number here. There we go. Confirm. Here we go. Let's see if it works. Confirmed. Verified. Look at that. Amazing. If I was from France, this is how I would do it. But guys, this is advanced verification. This is the one that you are going to have to absolutely wait on your card from Palau. Your Palau e-residency program card will come in 4 to 6 weeks, and then you can do advanced verification, and you can go from $100,000 to $2 million daily. And you guys can see here that we barely upgraded our account by doing that stuff, because none of the stuff you put in there is that important, because really they want this advanced verification. They're going to push you to do this. They want you to do this. You shouldn't be wanting to hide your money, and you should want to trade with a peace of mind. You shouldn't want to trade feeling like, people are watching me. So guys, I know a lot of people have been asking how you sign up. People have questions about VPNs. People have had questions about KYC. People had questions about Palau ID. People have questions for signing up. But that's how you do it right there, and it's that easy. We got a new account over there, guys. I should have signed up with my own link. There you go. All right? Am I right, Jay? So let's go back over there. Last thing here, come back over and take a look at what is going on right now on my trades. You guys can see these are my 2 active trades. I have one here. So let's go ahead and fill it out on the show. All right, so our entry price on Bitcoin was $44,010. We're on 15x leverage, and we don't know what our profit is obviously yet. And let's go ahead and put in our XRP trade here. And by the next week, by the way, guys, you guys will be able to watch all of this. Oh, it was 41, not 10. Let me write that in. 44041. Okay. This leverage I know is 25x, and this will only be realized profit, of course. Because it's gonna be after we take the trade down. And then our entry on XRP is 5778. One problem I've had trading is that what a lot of people want to do is they want to counter trade me. They want to do that while I'm live. They can't do it while I'm live, or they can't do it on a video that's not live. So that's good news. So it's 5778 for our entry. So there you go. Guys, when we close the trade, we'll put it there. We're going to show you guys this every week. If you're a Ben Nation member, you're going to get this every single day live. Check that out. So you guys make sure to sign up for Ben Nation. These are my trades where they're at right now. This week, I'm going to do a lot more talking about what I'm thinking as I'm doing these trades. Vlogging as I go through the week, and we're going to sprinkle that in. This is the big video I'm always going to point back to for people to sign up. That's exactly what you're going to want to do is sign up with Phemex so you can trade and get your Palau ID and the whole 9 yards. So make sure to do that. And then going forward, of course, we're not going to go over all that. Of course, give you guys the links, but that'll be about it. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to be a weekly series we're going to be doing, getting in the mind of someone who's insane as a trader. I can't wait to show you guys. Guys, make sure, hit the like button on your way out. It helps us keep the lights on. Be blessed.